Hi, welcome back. If you watch my previous video, this go around I'm doing taste test. I did taste test on orange flavored. I had 5 different orange packets, so I don't have ice in any of the jars. I taped which orange I was using, and I'm going to use these in drinks. Again, I normally don't make drinks with orange, so thought that would be something fun to try. And let's get started. So this go around, like I said, I did not put ice in them. Just so this way they wouldn't, start getting watered down. This one was Tang. So this drink, it is orange. Again, use what you have. That's kind of what got started with me wanting to do a taste test, was I realized I'm up to like 120 different drink packets, not including my syrups, just strictly drink packets. And I realized, I don't know, I think I just go to the stores and I'm like, okay, I know I need whatever, ... I say that because I have 7 different strawberry drink packets. And when I would see, if I saw someone post a drink and if it was, I'll say Tang orange, I would go to the store and buy Tang orange versus using a different orange that I have. And I know I have like 7 different strawberry packets, so I wanted to see what brands are my favorite. So this way maybe I can just buy those. Currently it's not working. I went to like 2 or 3 stores last couple of days and still buy drink packets. So this is a very unofficial drink test or taste test. All right, so I have the orange. Again, use what you have. This drink is orange, cherry, and watermelon. I'm using the Cherry Nerds, and I'm using the Jolly Rancher watermelon. But again, do what you have to do to make it your own. Whatever that means to you. If you want to use squirters, syrups, different brands, go for it. I will say, again, that's what messed me up, was going out and buying specific brands. I actually just mix these two. Each bottle or each packet does say mix with a bottle of water. I don't do that. I fill mine to the fill line of my jar, which is 14 ounces, and that's because I usually have about 20 ounces of ice in it, and I don't want it to get too watered down. Also, y'all know I'm not normally a fan of more than 2 drink packets. When I do use more than 2 drink packets, I still just use the same like 2 bottles of water. So again, if you want to break it down to half a drink packet, you can. I don't, but okay, remember this one is the watermelon and it is the cherry. And my brands were the Nerds and Jolly Rancher. Okay. As I say that, I actually have a bunch of powder at the bottom. I have too many things up here on my little desk. Let's see if I can get this. I have a bunch of little powder clumps at the bottom. I started to tell y'all, with the orange cherry watermelon, I taste cherry more than anything, which is, I'm pretty sure, what was at the bottom of that. It was clumps of like red. Funny, those 3 drink packets, I taste cherry over everything. I guess I wasn't expecting that. It's not bad at all. I'm not normally a fan of cherry. I do like this. I will drink this. Wow. I wasn't expecting this. Again, it's not bad. If you've tried this one, I'd love to know your thoughts. That's interesting. I'm curious. I'm actually doing a taste test for cherry. I now have 4 more orange drinks to use before I do a taste test on cherry. I'm actually wondering, I purposely did not try them separate. I've been trying to try each flavor separately, but I know I'm doing cherry taste test probably tomorrow, or what's today, Wednesday? Probably tomorrow or maybe even Friday. All right, well, I'd love to know your thoughts on this one. Bye.